Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. We are back again with a new video on PostgreSQL. In this session, first we will create a view joining multiple tables, and in the second part, we will create a temporary table and work with it for a specific session. Let's begin the session with view. A view is a database object that can be accessed as a virtual table in PostgreSQL. In simple words, a view is a logical table that represents data of one or more underlying tables through a select statement. A view helps simplify the complexity of a query because we can query a view which is based on a complex query using a simple select statement. To create a view, we use createView statement. First we specify the name of the view after the createView clause, then put a query after as keyword. Let's consider the following ER diagram. We are planning to create a view joining these four tables. The address table will be joined to the customer table by address ID. The city table will be added to address table by city ID. And finally, the joining key between country and city will be the country ID. Now we are going to create this view in pgadmin. In data visualization, we commonly use views. We can create a view using createView statement. Then the name of the view. In our case, it's customer_detail. Then after as, we must specify the select query. In this query, we have joined four tables: customer, address, city, and country. The joining key between customer and address is address ID. Between address and city is city ID. And finally, the joining key between city and country is country ID. Let's create the view. So we have successfully created a view. Now we can get the complete detail of the customer from this view. We can display the data using the select statement. So this view contains all the detail of all the customers. So we have finished our journey with view. Now move to the next section. In this section, we will learn about the PostgreSQL temporary table. As its name, a temporary table is a short-lived table that exists for the duration of a database session. PostgreSQL automatically drops the temporary tables at the end of a session or a transaction. To create a temporary table, we use the createTemporaryTable statement. In the syntax of temporary table, first we specify the name of the temporary table after createTemporaryTable statement. Then specify the column list, which is the same as the one in the createTable statement. And we can insert the data into this temporary table the same way we do in the simple table. For this specific requirement, we will work on PSQL. First we will connect to a specific database, then create a temporary table. Let's go to the SQL shell. We will choose the default server, then the default database, port, username, and we will provide our password. Now we will choose a database. In our case, we are choosing the DVD rental. So we have successfully connected to the DVD rental database. Now in this database, we will create a temporary table using createTemporaryTable statement. Create temporary table, and we have to set our temporary table name here. Suppose we are giving the name data temp. We are keeping ID as integer, then name as varchar. So we have successfully created one temporary table. Let's check this with the select statement from the same data temp. So we have a temporary table with no rows. Let's insert some rows on it. Insert table. Values will be suppose 1 and Alessandro, and another one suppose 2 and Alberto. Let's execute this. So we have inserted 2 rows. Now check this using that select statement. So now in our temporary table we have 2 rows. Now we will close this session and re-enter into the DVD rental database. PSQL saying default. Now we will go to the database DVD rental. Let's check the table again. Select star from data temp. So the data temp temporary table is not available in our database. So we have created a temporary table and that automatically dropped by PostgreSQL after finishing that session. With this, we are finishing our demonstration in PSQL. Now we are returning to the presentation. Today we have demonstrated how to create view and temporary table. That's all for today.